welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this brand new 2023 Premier 250 Intrigue. The Intrigue is an amazing pontoon, and we'll take a look here at the outside first. We got the nice black with the gray accent up on top. Gives it a nice balance, looks really good with the also the black rails all the way around. Really cool looking. We have the electric bimini, so by the push of a button, bimini will go up and down. Then we come to the back. We got a nice ski tow bar back here. Give you everything from skiing to tubing, wakeboarding, pretty much everything you want to do out on the water. We got the nice swim platform, tons of space back here to jump in. There's a ladder on the other side. And then I'll talk about real quick here the Mercury. So this is the Mercury outboard. This is a Verado's 350 horsepower on the back of this thing. So again, plenty of power to get you around the lake, do any sort of water sports you want. Let's go to the interior and take a look at the rest of the options. All right, welcome to the interior of this 250 Intrigue. This layout is called the RF layout, or rear facing layout. So what I like about this layout is it gives you a lot of different opportunities. Right now it's set up where you could have people sitting back here facing aft or facing backwards while the boat is moving. That's okay. And then you can have people facing this way. These backrests will move. You could fold them all the way down on both sides, and it just creates a nice big lounging area or sunbathing area, which is nice. I've got lots of cup holders. There's 3 or 4 on that side. There's 4 on this side. So if you're hanging out back here, you got everything you need to be on the water. Let's head up to the helm area. So we've got the dual helm chairs side by side, same chairs. This one's lifted up a little bit for the captain so they can see above if anybody's sitting right here, which is nice. We got the bolster seat in case you want to get a little bit higher even. Both the chairs do recline. They both got armrests that fold up and down. So those are super comfortable if you're up here driving or being a passenger. Up at the helm, I've got my cooler cup. So I can put my drink right in there. I can turn the button on and that will cool my drink, which is kind of neat. I got the nice big 12-inch SIMRAD display. Gives you so much information in this SIMRAD. You'll really love it. Anything from your engine to all the GPS systems and maps that you're going to need when you're out there. I got a cool phone holder that's adjustable. Lights all over this thing. So there's lights on the interior. There's actually lighting on the exterior as well. So you can really light this thing up when you want to. JL head unit. It's got JL speakers and then a JL subwoofer. So as far as music goes, you got the best of the best when it comes to JL. So we got that going all the way through the pontoon. And then the front, 25 feet in length. So we've got tons of space all the way around here. I've got storage in the floor. I've got cup holders. I've got storage underneath all these seats. And then I also have, this is a removable chair right here. So this does pop out if you don't need it. You can take it out. There's a door on the front as well. So 25-foot Intrigue from Premier. This, again, it has the 350 horsepower Verado JL stereo system. It's got lighting packages. It's got nice layout. It's just a beautiful pontoon. So this boat is here at our Rogers location. So if you want to come take a look at it, you can stop on by anytime or give us a call to set up a personal appointment. As always, click the like button for this video and then click to subscribe to see all the videos that MarineMax of Minnesota is putting out on a daily basis.